Today we're making coconut pie. We're going to start off with toasting the shredded coconut at 350 Fahrenheit at 5 degrees. Make the filling at low heat. And now I'm going to be pouring the half and half. Oh, that was too fast. On low heat. Perfect. And we're pouring the egg in the pan. Now I'm going to be pouring the dry ingredients. Now vanilla extract. I'm going to be mixing it up now. Everything in the pot. Smells good. We're going to bring it to a boil. I'll toast it. It's all golden brown in the middle and kind of on the sides. So when I'm pouring the shredded coconut in, it's all golden brown. Looks so good. I can smell the coconut. The half and half and the coconut smells good together. I'm going to be pouring the filling in the pie crust. It's enough for 2 pies. Putting in the fridge for 4 hours until firmed. It's been 4 hours and our pies are firmed. And I'm just going to be topping it off with Cool Whip. It's time for my little brother Eli to taste test it. My pie. See how he thinks. Do you like it? I like it. It's good. Like and subscribe. Bye.